Okay, so potatoes, they're the roots of the potato plant. And they end up storing all the nutrients and water that the plant will end up needing. So when you pick a potato, it's actually just the root. So specifically for this video, you start out with the potato and you leave it in the dark place. So when it's in the dark place, the potato starts to sprout a couple of eyes, I guess you can say, or it focuses on sprouting the stems. They have eyes at the end of it, or they're not really eyes, but quote-unquote eyes, in order to break ground to start growing the actual plant. And then they're always white in color because they're not going to spend all that time on trying to make the plant green, because there's the chlorophyll is not, and the sunlight is not actually being produced, so it's all white in color. It starts out as white spots and then it eventually grows. But specifically for my potato, it only had a couple of white spots. I think it was because I moved it from the garage to the inside of my house over time, and the garage wasn't exactly the darkest place. Sometimes lights would get turned on and off, and it was pretty dry in my garage, so I think it had a factor on it was not the right condition for the potato. And even then, after I put it in my laundry room, there was only a couple of white sprouts, and it got slightly bigger over time, but I probably would have needed some more time for that, even though I left it out for a month in the garage. So that's why it was too dry.